What is up, guys? It is Beast, and I'm just gonna show you guys a video of what my dog looks like after he took a bath. Well, what he does after he took a bath. So, let's get into the video right after this.
What's the crazy boy doing? Oh, what's the crazy boy doing? Hey, stop! What's crazy boy doing? What's crazy boy? Hey, stop! Stop, crazy boy! Stop! What's crazy boy doing? Go, go, go! What's crazy boy doing? What's crazy boy doing? Oh, what's crazy boy doing? What's crazy? What's crazy boy doing? Huh? What's crazy boy doing? What's crazy boy doing? Go, go, go!
We're all affected by this crisis, but we're resilient. Sherman's working with CEOs, policymakers, HR professionals, and workers across the globe to navigate these times. I'm John Taylor, President and CEO of Sherman. Together, we will create what the new future of work looks like.
So, what is love? I don't know. Puppies? Candy? What? I got nothing. You gotta
Oh, calm down, crazy boy. Calm down, crazy. Calm down, my crazy boy.
somebody that likes or likes someone. Something when you make people laugh. At Children's Hospital for Children, it's so much more. Love is being able to
Kid.
At Children's Hospital, love is being independent. Love is dancing.
I'm gonna sneak up on the crazy boy.
At Children's Hospital for Children, love is a new smile. Love is a new prosthetic leg. There's 19
Oh, look at the crazy boy.
for people like you.
Crazy boy.
Hospital for Children help people like me. Right now,
Crazy.
there are children just
So yeah, that's what my dog does after he's done with the bath. So yeah. Oh.